Did you see these?
Yeah, I put the gloves here.
They're pretty wild.
I can't give you a price on those. My son's in the shower.
What? Oh yeah. Good. I don't have that one. I
feel like you do.
I think I might have at one point.
Yeah, you want to move my car into her.
Hello?
Friendly. I should like this.
Stuff doesn't have prices.
Look, I found this.
It's not really it.
I know.
I thought that they had one. You might like this store. This is so cool. You drop it in and you can also pull it out.
Yeah. How much you have on the cup?
Give me an
Quarter?
Sure.
Did you ask about the seat?
Yeah, I was just seeing if it.
$1?
For the seat?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you.
Does that work? Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah.
I wish. Which
I don't know if I have any quarters, so I hope you have quarters.
I do.
one of us does.
What?
One of us does. These are. Did you see these?
Yeah, I put the gloves here.
They're pretty wild.
I can't give you a price on those. My son's in the shower.
That's
I can go ask him.
That's a nice canoe.
Mark.
The canoe I want $250 for. It's a
Oh, I wish
17-foot Drummond 3-man canoe.
I wish I had room for it.
It's,
What do you want me to do?
what?
Would you buy it?
It does have the carrying yokes, which makes it nice if you've ever carried a canoe.
No.
Mark,
What?
so you know this comes with that.
Okay, yeah, but that glove's over there.
I think I could use this.
What?
For what?
He was looking at your can.
Mm. It's up to you if you clean it up.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Look at these.
No idea.
Did you see all the fairy garden stuff? You want to ask him how much? That's like a whole. Yeah. Ask him how much.
I never have a yard sale. I don't have yard sales that often, but when I do, I have a yard sale.
Yeah, the signage is excellent.
Hey, can you go over and ask him how much on the fairy garden stuff? Friendly. Come here. Ask him how much on all the fairy garden stuff.
We could redo our fairy
Yeah,
garden.
there's a ton of good stuff in here. Like look at this little chair.
The little croquet set.
Yeah. Can you go ask? You go ask him how much?
I'll organize it.
Brian, leave him go. He's busy.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
Good, you.
Good. How much would you like for this?
Mark?
What? $8?
Okay.
How much on the fairy garden stuff?
Pass and then I have one that'll work.
Okay, so you want to ask? You want to ask him on this? 'Cause that's probably really
Brother's doing.
friendly. Friendly. Did you ask? How much? Oh.
I want it 15 for all the garden stuff, which
Okay.
if priced it all.
Yes. Yes.
It was a complete fairy
garden up there, not just a few years ago.
That's awesome.
15, 16, so 1650. You want it? This thing's not. I don't know what that is. That's what you sold.
Gates.
A gate.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This could be nice.
I like this.
That's a lot of stuff in here. A fire.
I would organize it for you. A walking.
Birdhouse. These are all metal. Dude, there's a lot of stuff.
Okay.
I mean, you know,
Yeah, these are probably, you know, like,
you know how much that stuff was.
each of these is probably between 6 and 10.
Exactly. So you want to get them?
Yeah, sure.
Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
What'd you see?
I'm only 58. Yeah. I'm tired of it, man.
Yeah, 58, that's a long, you probably started, what, 16?
Started right out of high school.
Right
cutting
out of
grass.
high school. You know, that's a long time.
Lawn service landscaping. I ran that for 28 years. As soon as LTD skill went down, I said, I'm done.
I just seen you.
I didn't know if I was going to make it. I had a heart issue and had to have surgery, and I thought, this is the one that's going to keep me on. And I pulled through it, and I've never felt better. They did what they did to me.
What counts, man. It's
Yeah.
just that every day, I operate heavy equipment.
Yeah. Yeah. I got a buddy that does that. I know she's coming to be heavy equipment operator.
Tired of it, man. Tired.
Yeah. A lot of bouncing it.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
I'm bringing this out.
Have a good one, guys.
Yeah, whatever. What's the toy stuff?
Have a hug?
Or not toys, but clothes. Actually, all boy clothes. We don't have any girls here. But there's a lot of toy stuff. Okay, we'll look around. Awesome. Yeah. Let me put you down, okay? I can make a cup of coffee for you.
Yeah.
You want a coffee?
No.
How much do you guys have on the DVDs?
$2.
Okay.
Yay, Baden!
What? I got some bags too.
Probably sneak in here.
Yay!
Want one?
No. Nope.
3 cookies, anyone?
You want a cookie?
Throwing your coffee, too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Really? Oh, wow. She just told me how nice that
It was
was.
fun. We love Fermata too. That's like
I can't believe they had toys and stuff for the kids. It was really
Yeah.
interesting that they had that.
They had like little books.
They wanted to be family oriented too.
Yeah, they had books.
How's it feel? Being returned.
No, not her.
Not me, no. I still have a
Her
lot of
mom.
years
Okay.
left.
I was going to say, no way, you do look young.
Raina,
All the changes. Yes, it's all the time too.
Raina.
I know.
You want it?
Do you want one, Gigi?
No, I
You want to ask how much?
mine up.
Here, you want to
Ask. Even if you don't wear it, I can probably tell. It's brand new tag.
Yeah, you do too.
Sometimes only one.
Yeah, I usually like that too. And
I went,
I'm pretty good.
now, winter time,
Yeah.
take a travel mug with me.
It's a what?
Let me ask her real quick. She's in charge of the place department. Okay.
Raina, ask on this too.
Yeah. Julie, what do you have?
Okay, she said 5. Okay.
What about on this one?
Yeah, I got.
5
Well, that's, we live next door to high chair and that
I'll
hard.
put you on the floor.
I'll do that one.
Need them anymore. I got.
I would love to. My husband
This would be.
One in my car, I don't know.
See?
How much?
Michaela.
How much you got on those 2 Funkos?
$5.
Look at this. I need batteries. I need batteries.
Batteries.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll find batteries for it.
Batteries.
They don't have it.
We didn't bring any.
If they did, they would.
Let's do that one.
Everything needs batteries. Let me see what kind it is.
I'm a batteries. I'm a batteries. I'm a batteries.
Everything
They need batteries.
China. This is a nice day out. It sure is. We got lucky today. Yeah, better than killing ourselves out at Rogers.
I'm a slipper.
Yeah, I took all this to Rogers last weekend.
Did you really? Oh.
So hot.
There's no shade out there.
No, and I had like, oh my god, I was in the. No, okay, so the first time I did it, yes, I got rid of a lot. I make cookies and pecans too, which I have them over there. Not the cookies, but the pecans. And they sold really good. I did really well. And then I don't know why, but I didn't do. Now I figured out that where I was located was the antique place, and the reason I was located, Barb Jones, who also works at Masonic, she has her own little place. So she wanted to be by like each other, but it put me in like, for anybody who knows, that put me in a not proper place. Like,
Correct.
Yeah.
Not yeah.
So I was, and I thought of it later. So like the people that made their way down